Hi, and welcome to the Global Forum. My name is Bobbi Muscara, and I'm the co-chair of the Learning Materials Development Working Group. The purpose of the Learning Materials Development Working Group is to organize and share the information that the community has created. Let me show you how to find us. We can be found on the main Hyperledger wiki page. Just go to their blue drop-down menu bar and go to Groups and select the Learning Materials Development Working Group. Once on our homepage, you will see a library type bookshelf where we have all of our resources, whether it's a project resource, key terms, or use cases. We try to organize everything that goes on in the community. Also, our homepage is for community events. We keep it up to date as we like the community to be well informed as to events, meetups, and special presentations that are happening that week. Also, if you look at our menu on the side, we have valuable templates and resources on education in the community. So please join our next bi-weekly call. If you're new to the community, it's a great place to onboard. And if you're a seasoned Hyperledger community member, come find out what's happening this week. Look forward to seeing you at our next meeting, June 14th. Enjoy the forum.